out in the black, farther than any human creation had ever been, something changed. The silence of deep space was broken by a discovery that would forever alter our understanding of the cosmos. On board Voyager 1, a tiny, resilient machine, a sensor registered a sudden, dramatic drop. The sun's familiar push of particles vanished. The spacecraft, launched in 1977, had traveled for decades, braving the harshest environments, and now it was about to make history. In its place, a denser hum of particles from distant stars. Voyager 1 had crossed the invisible boundary known as the heliopause, the outer edge of the sun's influence. This was the moment scientists had been waiting for, the moment when humanity would finally touch the space between the stars. It was now flying in the space between the stars, a region no spacecraft had ever entered. The environment was alien, the rules different, and Voyager 1 was our lone scout in this uncharted territory. Imagine leaving a river and entering the open ocean. The water, the waves, everything feels different. The boundaries blur, and suddenly, you're in a place where the familiar currents no longer guide you. That's what happened to Voyager 1. It left the solar system's river and entered the vast, wild ocean of the Milky Way, a place where the sun's influence fades and the galaxy's mysteries begin. It left the solar system's river and entered the vast, wild ocean of the Milky Way. The journey was not just a physical crossing, but a leap into the unknown, a step into a realm that had only existed in our imagination. The data trickled back to Earth, a faint whisper across billions of kilometers. Each signal was a message from the edge of the known, a fragile thread connecting us to our distant explorer. Scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab pieced together the story. The magnetic field shifted, the density of charged particles jumped. The evidence was clear. Voyager 1 was now an interstellar traveler. The density of charged particles jumped, confirming what the instruments had hinted at. For the first time, we could measure the true nature of the space between stars. The evidence was clear. Voyager 1 was now an interstellar traveler. It had become the first human-made object to leave the solar system and enter the galaxy beyond. A machine built by human hands, a relic of the 1970s, had become our first emissary to the stars. Its journey was a testament to the ingenuity and vision of those who dared to dream beyond our world. For centuries, humanity gazed at the stars, wondering what lay beyond our solar system. Early astronomers like Galileo and Herschel could only dream of reaching such distances. Now, their dreams had become reality. This wasn't just a technical achievement. It redefined our place in the universe. We were no longer confined to our solar system. We had become interstellar explorers. Voyager's crossing marked a new era in exploration, surpassing all previous milestones, from the first satellites to the moon landings. Each step had brought us closer to this moment. For all of history, we'd been confined to the sun's neighborhood. The planets, the asteroids, the comets, all within the sun's protective bubble. Now we'd entered the realm of the stars. The solar system was behind us and the galaxy stretched out ahead. Scientifically, this was monumental. For the first time, we could directly sample the interstellar medium, the matter and radiation that fills the space between star systems. Every bit of data was a treasure, a clue to the workings of the universe. The frontier had been pushed back by billions of kilometers. Voyager 1's journey had expanded the boundaries of human exploration farther than ever before. It was a quiet, profound step, taken by a robotic proxy on our behalf. In the silence of space, Voyager 1 carried our hopes and questions into the unknown, a testament to human curiosity and our relentless desire to see what lies beyond the next hill or the next star. Voyager 1's journey is a story of exploration, courage, and the unending quest for knowledge. Voyager's crossing was a silent, momentous arrival at a destination we could barely comprehend. It was a reminder that the universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun. The universe had just gotten a little smaller. With each kilometer Voyager 1 traveled, the unknown became a bit more familiar, and humanity's reach a little farther. As Voyager 1 continues its journey, it carries with it the dreams of all who have ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond. To appreciate that silent crossing, we rewind to 1977. NASA launched Voyager 2, then Voyager 1 to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment. Their mission, a grand tour using gravity to slingshot from Jupiter to Saturn and beyond, a cosmic game of billiards. These weren't sleek sci-fi ships, but tough, practical machines, spacefaring pickup trucks with less computing power than a modern watch. Yet they were built to last, storing data on tape, braving radiation and cold. Voyager 1 gave us our first close-up of Jupiter's storms, volcanoes on Io, Saturn's rings, and Titan's haze. Each encounter rewrote textbooks and inspired a generation. After Saturn, Voyager 1's planetary mission ended. Its new mission: keep flying, keep measuring, and find the edge of the sun's influence. The probe, designed for 5 years, just kept going, a lonely traveler on a one-way trip to infinity. The sun shrank behind it, but Voyager pressed on, a testament to the engineers who built it to last. What does it mean to reach the other side? There's no wall, just an invisible boundary where the environment changes. The sun's solar wind creates a vast bubble, the heliosphere, our cosmic cocoon. Inside, the sun's particles and magnetic field dominate, but the heliosphere isn't infinite. Beyond it lies the interstellar medium gas, dust, and cosmic rays from ancient stars. The boundary where the solar wind yields to the galaxy is the heliopause. Crossing it means entering interstellar space. Imagine a river meeting the sea. The heliosphere is the river. Interstellar space, the ocean. Voyager 1 crossed that line, leaving the sun's calm for the galaxy's wild currents. This isn't just a new location. It's a new scientific frontier. Inside the heliosphere, we're shielded from harsh cosmic rays. Outside, Voyager samples the true interstellar environment. Now we can measure cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and the real conditions of our galaxy. It's like sending a weather station into the deep ocean to study storms firsthand. Voyager is our outpost in the galactic sea. Voyager 1's journey is astonishing, but even more so is that we can still talk to it. Its transmitter is as weak as a refrigerator light bulb, yet its signal, billions of times fainter than a watch battery, still reaches Earth. Massive deep space network antennas catch its faint whisper, with a round-trip signal delay of nearly 2 days. In 2023, Voyager 1 sent back gibberish. Its memory chip had failed. Engineers, working with decades-old documents, devised a software patch, slicing up code and storing it around the broken chip. It worked. Voyager 1 began speaking clearly again, sending back data from interstellar space. Diagnosing and fixing a spacecraft billions of kilometers away is one of exploration's greatest technical feats. Voyager's longevity, and our ability to keep the conversation going, remains unthinkable. Science fiction headlines love to imagine Voyager 1 finding aliens or wormholes, but the truth is even more profound. Voyager hasn't found aliens or shortcuts through space. Its mission is patient, methodical science. Interstellar space is mind-bogglingly empty. The nearest star is over 4 light-years away. Voyager would need 75,000 years to reach it. The probe is coasting, its engines silent, serving as our senses in a place we can't reach. It measures plasma, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays, fundamental data for understanding our galaxy. This isn't flashy, but it's revolutionary. The first direct measurements of the interstellar environment. The reality is more amazing than fiction, because it's real, and it's a story we're living. Voyager's journey is a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and our drive to explore. Bolted to Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos. It holds greetings, music, and images from Earth, a symbol of hope and a statement about who we are. The odds of it being found by aliens are tiny, but its true audience is us. Creating the record made us reflect, what do we say to the universe? What best represents humanity? Voyager inspires because it embodies the best of us: curiosity, peace, and exploration. It's a monument to our desire to reach beyond ourselves. When we look up, we know a piece of us is out there sailing the endless sea. Voyager's legacy isn't just in data, but in the dreams it ignites. It reminds us we can achieve the unthinkable, reach across the void and touch the stars. The little probe that continues to whisper its story, a symbol of where our dreams can take us.